Dumelang sanibonani absheni igama lami nguSlim ngibuyile futhi with another one. This is podcast with Slim. Namhlanje ngihleli ne-legend. My legend ubani Star Brian. Mr. Manaiwa. There's nothing more I'm going to say. However, he's going to introduce himself. We've got big things coming up. Today, episode 2 is all about fitness, vitality. It's all about running, marathons, but then don't touch that dial. Sizobesila. And then we'll be unpacking.
Sure, Smuda. Thank you for welcoming me, Baba. Thank you. You also calling me a legend. I'm still a student. I'm still learning, Baba.
Bro, you're still a legend.
I haven't belonged to the game, Baba. I've just started now, man.
Yeah, I know. It doesn't matter, but I know what you mean. I'm inspired. I'm inspired by what you're doing. I mean, nobody can pull that. That's a very heavy weight to pull, you know? So, Star Brian, tell my people out there, and then, as I've said, this is a podcast with Slim. I'm with Star Brian.
Yeah. No, thank you for welcoming me, Baba. Hey, it wasn't easy starting running, man.
Yeah.
It's a challenge, man.
Yeah.
You know, I remember there was this colleague of mine, Noah, Mr. Noah Ntuli.
Yeah,
yeah, he normally comes to me and say, "Hey, let's go." Where to?
Yeah.
But let's go and gym. Why? Why must I?
Exactly. Yeah.
So it started there, but I say, hey, this guy is annoying me. Let me go and have a look at our gym upstairs. What is happening there?
Yeah.
Then lunchtime I came and Google and check and say, can't we have such machines here? One can just entertain himself lunchtimes, man.
Exactly.
That's where now it started. Then I started walking on the treadmill, you know?
Yeah.
Because I was scared to run by then. I was saying,
Okay, before you continue, take us back, and then maybe you'll give us the importance of actually exercising, even if it's a small amount of time when you're exercising, you know. But then take us back. Is it 2 years? Is it 2 years back? 3 years back? 10, 15 years back?
When was it? COVID was in
2019.
2019.
2019. That was our.
I will say I started 2018, 2019.
2017, 2018.
Yeah, around there.
Yeah.
I remember. Yeah. That was the time where we started doing all this training with our team members here at work. Ladies also joining us. Then we started a 6 a.m. team.
Yeah.
You remember, you also part of it. You were also part of it, Mrs.
Don't put me. This is about you. This is about you.
Yeah.
But then, so it started, and then it started slowly building up. And it maybe Noah came to you, Mr. Ntul, and said, no, we need to gym. But then body-wise, what actually triggered it?
Actually, I was overweight. Honestly speaking, I was overweight. I need to do something.
Yeah.
I remember I bought trousers, then they were not fitting me. I was saying, no, man, this is not on.
Yeah.
Let me try to exercise and get my body into shape.
Exactly.
So I think that what inspired me to say, you know, exercising is actually a good thing to do.
So would you encourage someone or anybody to exercise?
Definitely. Hence, when you go to doctors or any practitioner, whereby they will tell you about exercising. It's all about diet and exercising.
Diet and exercising.
Yeah.
Okay, my fellow people, you've heard from Star Brian. I call him Star Brian. I don't know because he's a star. I mean, this guy. From where we come from.
Yeah.
Maybe we can tell them about one of the incident where we ran to, what's that? Tom Jenkins. Yeah. Maybe if you can tell our people about Tom Jenkins. I think we used to run that almost every day.
Every morning in the 6 a.m.
6 a.m. every morning. And then if you haven't run Tom Jenkins and you stay around Pretoria or around Gauteng, I don't think you have experience.
No, that one is a monster. It's a monster. That mountain is a monster. But I'll encourage anyone who wants to test it
Yes.
We are more than welcome. We are more than welcome. Even if you do baby steps, it's fine as long as you reach the top. Yeah. But Tom Jensen is a monster. It is a monster.
I would like to call you ukuhamba kancane kufana nokugijima because you are that guy. When I look at you, you like
Ula, slow.
You know,
Take
Ula,
it slow.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You're not like me.
Yeah, well, we are, but we pair. We are actually. Yeah.
But then I'm happy, man, that today we're talking about your achievement. For me, this is an achievement.
Yes.
For me, I would like to call this an achievement. Actually, the moment you wake up in the morning, that's an achievement.
Yeah.
The moment you say, tomorrow I'm going to start gym, that is an achievement.
Exactly.
I applaud you for that.
No, thank you.
I know the struggle.
Thank you.
I know the struggle.
Thank you.
Why running? Why not bodybuilding?
You know, Sbu, when I'm with you inside the gym, you normally call me for exercises. I normally think twice to say, hey, can I join this guy? But at the end of the day, I have no choice. I have to, especially to build strength. Otherwise, what I enjoy most is running. It's running. But now it's about time I need to start lifting at least to have muscles, you know.
Yeah.
But we'll see as time goes on.
I don't think you'll come back because some people, they say running is therapy.
Yeah.
So when you're on the road, if you today, let's say you kill 5Ks, next week you wanna kill 7. The other week you wanna kill.
Exactly. It's like that. It's like that.
And your advice, because for beginners.
For beginners.
Yeah. What would be your advice, maybe in terms of where must they start? How must they do it?
For the beginners, actually, what I will say to them, it's, patient.
Yeah.
Because most of the people, they want to see results immediately, of which is not going to happen.
Exactly.
You need to be patient. Baby step, start by walking, maybe 1K, 2K, the next day, extend it. It depends with you how serious you are,
Yeah.
Then from there, maybe you can start jogging. Take 1 or 2K or 4 or 5. Then when your bodies get used to running, now it tells you, my man, now we are on the go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Then you push. Like I remember I was starting, when I start running, I didn't do more than 5K.
Yeah.
5K, it was a little bit heavy for me. Very heavy. But when you are determined, more determined, so I mean, you can go far, man.
Exactly.
Look now, 21K to me, it's like around the corner. It's just around the corner. And it used to be a challenge for me to run 21Ks.
Do you hear these guys? 21K is around the corner.
No, it's just around the corner. And not to say maybe I'm bluffing or what, but to honestly.
Yeah, but anyway, you've worked hard for the 21K. So 21K started by 5.
Yeah, I started by 5, 15, 10, up until I get to 21Ks.
21Ks. Yeah. This man, I know where he started and when he started. He couldn't even.
Yeah, you even know my weight when I started.
Exactly. Maybe you can tell. Maybe you can tell them. You can tell my people, Uguti. What were you weighing back then?
I remember Coach Thabo. Coach Thabo is only also one of the guys who used to push me, He used to push me. No, my weight was 94K.
94K.
Yeah, it was 94. Then I have to drop it down. Today I'm on 76. When I weigh myself, I'm on 76, yeah.
That's an achievement, bro.
Yeah.
That's an achievement. That is an achievement. That's an achievement. If he can do it, now you can do it. I know it's hard. It's not easy. But tell yourself that I can do it. I've seen you doing Walk the Talk.
Yes.
First experience of Walk the Talk.
Meeting different people from different companies, it's so nice. It is so lovely. I thank my company, CPA, for also introducing us to 702.
Yeah.
That's when our thing started. You start by walking, like I said before. We used to walk at 702. It's all about talking and walking.
Yeah.
Chantel, she's the one who was motivating us to say, guys, this is the opportunity the company is giving you. So why
You
not
tell
you?
her.
So 702 is one of the greatest events that is held here in Gauteng, whereby all the people who wants to start to exercise, you can start there at 702.
Walk the
I
talk.
hope it can come back since it was stopped due to COVID,
Yeah. I'm sure this year it will be up and running. I'm sure.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
we need our
yes,
walk
we
the
need
talk.
it back,
Yes,
honestly.
they must just give us. It's ours. It's not theirs.
Yeah.
It's ours. Exactly. At the end of the day, 702 is not walking. We're the ones who's walking.
Exactly.
Exactly. So they must bring back the
No, we missed that moment, honestly.
hashtag. Bring back the walk the talk.
Or cycling.
Yes.
It's one of also the events that City Property normally give the staff the opportunity to attend to cycling as well. So we normally attend cycling around September. Yeah, we do cycling for the charity.
Is that?
Yeah, Is it Bield Kenners?
Oh, Bield, the
I
newspaper.
think it is the main sponsor.
Oh, okay,
So
okay.
On that one, I was also invited by Mr. Noah to say there's this event of the cycling. Yeah.
Big up to Mr. Noah. Babu Kaba Congo. I see a Togoza, man.
Then I also met both Coach Tabo
Yeah.
and so on. Yeah. And the ladies, they also join us there at the cycling. We normally held it at Centurion Mall. Yeah. at
Centurion
Irene.
Mall, ne?
Yeah, Irene, yeah.
Yeah, since we started, you mentioned ladies twice.
It's a 6-hour cycling.
No, don't run away from this.
No, don't get me wrong.
No, I'm not getting.
Don't get me wrong. I was saying at least most of our staff members, ladies, they like to participate in that event of cycling.
Okay, yeah. I'm not going to hold you to that. Otherwise, we will be saying or talking some other stuff, which let's keep it there. Let's keep it there where they belong. So we'll continue on that one.
Sure.
So maybe next time when you come back, you can unfold the ladies part, because I'm more interested there than what you're doing now.
Yeah, no, don't go deeper. Don't go deeper on that one.
Because I know it's also the moment you say Coach Tabo. The ladies are coming next. Coach Tabo, the ladies are coming next. so we must get Coach Tabo, and then maybe we can get the ladies, and then it's going to be you next time.
No, I think he is a good recruiter to ladies. Oh. Yeah. When Tabo is there, he's surrounded by,
by women.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So now, would you see yourself maybe doing like your 94.7 cycle challenge?
Yo, that's my wish.
That's your wish.
Yeah, man. I remember I was with Mr. Hopnik, Jeffrey, and then I was with Coach Tabo in the bathroom at the shower.
Yeah.
Then he came in. Then he said, "Oh, you guys, you are here." We said, "Yes, we are here." Then he started promising to buy us some bikes, you know, understand?
Yeah.
So he said, "No, I'm gonna buy you bikes." And
if
it happened.
If
you are interested, yeah. And thank you for him also giving us the powers to use this facility.
Yes.
I also want to thank him for everything that he's doing for his staff, for us. You know,
exactly.
We are here because of him. I really want to thank him for that. Yeah.
I believe when you talk about Mr. Wapnik, I believe that he knows very well that a healthy mind and a healthy body can give you a number one or 100% productivity.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I'm sure that's why you are so encouraged, and then and the company is doing so much in terms of activities like your cycling, walk the talk, marathons and all that. You've been in now competition in terms of you started I don't know when. I know if I can put your medals here, this small table can your first competitive marathon was it a 5 or a 10K?
No, it was a 21.
The very first one?
The very first one, it was a 21K. It was a 21.
Your very first
Yeah.
Very first competition, it was a 21K.
Exactly, it was a 21K, of which is I didn't have experience, but
Yeah.
I said, no, you know what? If there's 10, there's 15, there's 21, why must I go for 10 and 15? No, I'm going for 21.
Yeah.
Then I ran 21, though I did it in, I think, 2 hours, 30 minutes, of which it was not bad for a starter. Because normally people will say sub 2, knowing. I was asking myself, what is sub 2? What are these people talking about? Meaning they want to run it before 2 hours.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
so
okay.
now I'm also in that level whereby I want to run it before 2 hours.
Yeah, just make your 21K in less than
in
2
less
hours.
than 2 hours, yes.
I see. I can't wait for that day, man. I can't wait. I know ukuthi mina ngiyasha.
I normally the closest 2 hour that I did, it was the Mandela race in December. I think I ran it in 1 hour 59. It's almost 2 hours. But I was happy because I didn't clock 2 hours, you know.
Yeah.
I was saying, no, I'm in a good level now to do it in less than 2 hours.
Ah, that's great, man. That's great, man. I will always applaud you. I know I can do the marathons and whatsoever, but when it comes to competition, yabo, kunovalo, kuna this and that. Yes.
Exactly. But if you've got people around you, it's just fun, you know. You are not running for competition anyway, because there's top runners who are running for positions, who get medals and money. But at the end of the day, it's just fun. You go there and meet people, have fun. It's also healthy.
It's more of a social event, but then obviously you now building yourself up in terms of your health, in terms of your stamina. That was your first 21.
21, yeah.
And then how did you feel when you first received a medal?
My brother,
you can continue.
It was like, you know, I don't know how to explain it, but it was like I'm in another planet. It was like I've receiving, I don't know what, but it was like, you know, I had that moment where I feel relaxed to say, you know what, we have achieved 21 Ks.
Yeah.
You know what is 21 Ks? Yo, that moment I was saying to myself, no, better things are now coming.
Yeah. So after that 21 kilometer, you've never looked back.
I never looked back, but my brother, I was so tired. Remember, I've never run 21 Ks.
Yeah.
So immediately when I got home, I went to bed.
You just slept almost.
I just slept the whole day. The next day, I was supposed to come to work. I was saying, must I go to work? But work is work. I have to come.
Yeah.
I have to soldier on.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. But now, 21, you killed it, boom, boom, it's done.
It's done.
Where are we going now?
42.
42?
42.
Not even 30 yana.
No, 42.
Hey, this guy. From
42.
Okay, now from 0 to 21.
To 21.
Not 0, 5, 10, 15.
No.
0, 21.
0, 21, now 42.
I can see you good.
Yeah.
You are very dedicated, and then that's all we need.
Yeah. I did my first 42 at the Val.
The Val.
Yeah.
Okay. The Val, I've got a few medals here.
Yeah, this is the first one. That one.
This one.
Yes. That was my first 42K. That one.
This is Tabrine's medal, Val River City. It's sponsored by Rand Water.
Yeah.
This is the 42. You know, angikhuluma ngento zokuthi hey lento le you can't buy this. You must go run first and then you get it. You can't get this for free. It's not for free.
So that one I ran it in 5 hours.
42 in 5 hours.
That one, yeah. My first 42.
Yeah.
I did it in 5 hours. Of which is to qualify, I was supposed to do it in 4:50.
In 4:50.
Yeah.
All right.
So reason for me not to do it was, you know, they normally tell you that you must get proper running shoes.
Yeah.
I remember when I was running this 42, I had problems with my shoes, man.
Okay, now that you're touching the shoes issue, if you go there 10 kilometers and come back 10 kilometers, the distance is equals to 0. That's physical science,
that's physical
right?
science.
Yes, it's equals to 0.
Yeah.
So, but for running, it's 20.
It's 20.
10 and 10, it's 20.
20, yes.
So now what amazes me is that people who look at you doing that, go there and come back, you've done nothing. According to us,
According to your science.
According to science, and people will be like, why are you doing that? For what? The 42 kilometers, the Val River City one,
Yeah.
you're complaining about shoes.
Yes.
And people, they think that, more often they think that you just wear any other shoe and go run.
No, there's these proper shoes that you must have.
Mm.
You cannot just wear any shoe to enter into a marathon, especially a long distance.
Yeah.
You need to have proper shoes whereby you'll be comfortable. You understand?
Yeah.
So by the time I ran this one, these are the shoes that I was using to normally train. Yeah. So they hurt me at the end. Yeah. But I managed to do it in 5 hours. Yes.
And I often see that your gear, it's ridiculously expensive, bro. It's expensive. There's a proper running shoe for about 800 rand or 500 rand.
No ways. No. Yeah.
So
it is very expensive. Sports
is expensive.
Yeah, but if you've got maybe a sponsor, you can pull through. Yeah.
Okay. Because I was checking before this this conversation of ours. I saw this Nike. Mostly it's used by my favorite athlete, Eliud Kipchoge.
Okay.
Yeah. Eliud Kipchoge. That thing, it's 6,000 rand.
Yeah. Yeah, which means there's cushioning in that shoe. There's everything that you need.
Grip, balance.
Anything that you need. You won't even have blisters. You'll hear people talking about blisters, but when you will never experience blisters. Yeah.
Are they wearing a 6K shoe? And it does not end there.
Yeah.
You need now to have a watch. Tell me something. When you run, let's say like me, I'm wearing jeans or any other a cargo pants. I'm running at 21 kilometers.
Yeah, I don't think you'll make it to the finish. Yeah, you can't run wearing jeans. Understand? There is a proper clothes that you need to wear for a certain sport. Yeah, like jeans you cannot use it for running
or your cargo pants or full
I mean, even the weight of the trouser itself, it might make you to be tired quickly. So you need just to be light, you just wear something that is not gonna be heavy for your body when you are in motion. Yeah.
Oh, okay. You've heard it, Buffet too. This is Brian. He told me that he's not an expert. He's just a beginner. But things that he's telling me does not. The information that I'm getting from him, it doesn't tell me that this guy is a beginner. He speaks about shoes. You need to have a certain weight of shoes. You need to have running shorts.
Yeah, running shorts. Yes.
Even the T-shirt that today.
Like this one that I'm wearing now, they normally use it for training. They were given to us by the sponsors who were sponsoring the 50K that we were running 2 weeks back.
You're telling me that you've ran 50?
Yeah, I've been to 50K, yeah. I also did 50K to qualify for the Comrades, yeah.
Okay, so now I see 42. There's 3 42s.
Yeah. With these 2, I did qualify to run the Comrade. And that one, it was just a rubber stamp, the 50K. Just to train, but at the end of the day, I managed to finish to qualify to run the Comrade, yeah.
So, guys, you can hear, this guy, he stays in Pretoria. However, he traveled to Vaal, which is money.
To Mbombela, Nelspruit.
He traveled to Mbombela, Nelspruit, which is money. Middleburg, which is money. And then what's the other one?
Yeah, these 2 are in Mbombela, in Nelspruit.
The Loskop Marathon.
The Loskop one is Middleburg, yeah.
Middleburg, and then there's a There's a N4 Elands Marathon.
Yeah, that one is in Bombela, in Nelspruit.
It's in Bombela, Nelspruit. And the other one, there's
The same, that one is also in Bombela.
NMC.
Yeah, NMC, it's also there. Yes.
Ah, beautiful, beautiful. So you went from 42, now you're on 50.
Now I'm on 50 now.
You killed your 50.
Yes.
Happy with the time?
Happy with the time.
Tell us, give us the time. Was it?
I did my 50 in 5 hour 36.
5 hour,
5 hour 36, yeah.
Your handle on Strava is Brian Manaiwa or Star Brian?
No, it's Brian Manaiwa.
Brian Manaiwa. So just please follow Brian Manaiwa on Strava. You can see all his running record there.
Yeah, all my activities, you'll see them there, yes.
Yeah, so I'm very happy for you, man. And
thank you so much, man. Thank you.
Like, I don't know what to say. You're doing things that not even an ordinary person can do.
Sure.
They can do it, but then they don't know.
Okay.
You've actually unlocked some of your potential. And I know by this 50, you're going to do what? 70?
I did 73 Ks. When was it?
Where?
As a training. That one, it took me the whole day. But
73 Ks.
Yeah, 73 Ks. Yeah. We started at 6 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah.
And the guy who said to me, we are going to be spending the whole day, I said, how? He said, you see how dark it is now? It's 6
in the morning.
By the time we come back, it will be dark like this. I said, no way, it's not me. Yo, my brother. We went all the way from Pretoria to Bronkhorstspruit. That was the distance, in and out. I've never been to Bronkhorstspruit using
like running.
Yeah, I normally pass that place with the motor car going somewhere maybe. But running, yo.
I'm sure you.
That's where now I saw Uguti, no, I'm ready for Comrade. If I can spend more than 10 hours from Pretoria to Bronkhor and coming back, then meaning I can do it.
So you go, wait. You know, you keep on surprising me. We're talking about 10, 20, 21, all those smallanyana things, and now it's 50, 73.
Yeah.
Now it's Comrade 89.
87.9, 87.7 or 87.9. Yeah.
For the sake of the podcast, it's 89 kilometers. For the sake of podcast with Slim, please don't forget to subscribe and share, like. So this will be your first Comrade.
This will be my first, yeah. Likely it's on the downhill, but people who normally run it, they say there's no such a downhill.
Durban is never downhill. Durban is never.
Yeah.
Actually, Durban was built in the mountains. So you're running Comrade, and Comrade, it's in 8 days from now.
Yes.
You think you're ready, Mr. Manaiwa?
I am. For now, it's just to take things easy. People don't normally scare you by asking, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You normally meet people, they say, is it you who are going to run Comrade? I said, yes, it's me. They say, but are you ready?
Yes.
Then I have to say, yes, I am. Because immediately when I can say, no, I'm not, then people will start saying, you are wasting your time.
Yeah, it will, even in your thinking processing.
Yes.
It will. I don't think it will play a very good role when you say I'm not ready.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's good to be ready. Let's get ready. Yeah. Bring back the medal, man. But your first time.
I will definitely.
I know. With these things, you basically register, pay whatever amount of money.
Exactly.
So and then you go and qualify.
Go and qualify, yes.
So you pay first and then you go and qualify.
Exactly. Because by not doing so, you might not get a slot.
Oh, I see. So you've
and unfortunately, it's non-refundable. Say maybe you pay your 1.2, then you run your 42s and you don't qualify, then it's gone. Your money's gone. You need to make sure that you qualify so that you go and participate.
That's great. Great. So now you're first. The moment you say click, register, they send you the confirmation. Now the real mission started.
You know, if I can tell you, Spoo, people start qualifying before even the comrade started to register.
Yeah, yeah,
You'll hear people on the race, ngabo January,
yeah.
say mina qualified. Hey, so qualified. But yeah, I ran my 42 sometime in November. I say, oh, is it possible? You know, it's so nice to qualify earlier so that you don't have pressure to qualify for comrade.
Exactly.
So I think this is one of the things that I've learned. After running this comrade, I'm not gonna relax and say, you know what, let me wait for the moment to come closer and run the 42s. Yeah. In terms of I mean, I'm going to, whenever there is a 42K that is coming, I'm gonna make sure that I enter and run it and qualify. So that the other 42s that are coming, it will be just a normal training for me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So those ones will be like your practice.
Yeah, it will be just like a practice. And another thing is, it depends what time are you finishing your 42. Because I heard they put you according to seedings. I think there's A, B, C until H.
You're talking about the main event of
Comrade. Event of comrade. Kuya ngokuthi uqede qualifying ngesiphi isikhathi.
Yeah.
And then they seed you to say, okay, uqede nge 4 hour 40, where now you go to H right at the back. The top runners will be in front.
Yeah.
By the time the clock says pa is pam to start.
Yeah.
Wena mawuzonyathela leya mat leya yokuthi ukhona nawe.
Yes.
You will be 15 minutes behind laba sebahambile. Angithi but it's packed.
Yeah, there's a lot of people who does
it's packed.
The comrade. So then now take me back, because uyangihambisa. So were you not scared that now I'm going to participate for comrade? Because I think that's a hill that will scare you.
Yeah, you know, my brother-in-law, he ran it 13 times. And then his friend ran it about 29 times, yeah. So training with such people, you know, they motivate you. Uguti, this thing is doable.
Yeah.
And when I look at age-wise, these people, they are older than me. I'm telling you, my brother-in-law is about maybe 70. Yeah. He's about 70 years.
So you think, according to what I'm thinking right now, how many bags are we looking at bagging the marathons medals, the comrade marathon medals? We're looking at bagging them maybe 5-6 yana.
Oh, you mean on me?
Yeah, on you.
No, like I said to you, this is my first one. Let me see first. Then I'll commit after.
Oh, but I mean, when you're halfway, you'll finish that thing.
No, my intention is to do comrade and next year to do two oceans.
Okay.
You see, if I can perform very well on comrade, then it will be more often for me going there. Yeah.
My 2 cent nyana advice will be, let's finish the race.
Yeah,
because it's very important to start, and it also more important to finish.
Yes. Yeah.
So let's finish the race. After we have finished the race, now we can come chill here and say, okay, we've finished the race, we've got the medal. Yeah, because I know the pressure is...
the pressure is too high.
It's too much, ne?
It's too much, bro. It's too much. Because each and every corner they ask you, are you ready?
Are you ready for comrade?
Are you ready?
Yeah. But anyway, Bantabahle, Nani Majimbos, Emakaya, and everyone who's watching, you know my name is Slim, and this is Podcast with Slim. Today we're only talking marathon, nothing else. So I'm with the first time runner, the very first time runner. Yeah. I'm actually scared for this guy here. I'm scared for him because normally I will do change down when I'm driving down Durban, but then I'm very scared for this guy. But all I would like to request from you is that let's support him. Let's make sure he finishes the race. And then he will feel the energy, man.
Exactly. I'll appreciate if
Yeah,
they
he
can
will
follow
feel.
me. Yeah.
He will feel the energy.
Very important.
I often hear people talk about pole to pole.
Oh,
Yes, I often
they
hear
call it
people
pull factor.
pole factor. Oh,
It's a
okay.
pull factor.
Yes.
Yeah, that one is also helping you to finish your course. You understand? Say maybe you run 42 Ks, and then when you reach 30 Ks, you are now tired.
Yes.
I mean, what you need to do is to be strategic now. You need to apply your pole factor.
Yeah.
Pole factor meaning you look at the poles on the street where you are running.
Exactly.
Then you count them. You say, okay, I'm on this pole. The next pole, I'll start walking.
Okay.
I walk one pole, and maybe the 3 poles that are coming, I run.
Oh, I
That's
see.
how they call it pole factor. You walk one pole to the next one, and when you reach that other pole, you start running.
You start
maybe
running
3
again.
poles.
3 poles,
Yeah.
and
then you walk again,
it.
and then you start running 3 poles.
But then
that's how you do it.
Someone who's watching now and listening will be like, I walk like I'm walking at the mall or in the park.
No. You need not
Oh,
to do
load shedding.
Load shedding.
Well,
we didn't think about this.
We didn't think about load shedding. However, because it's load shedding now, I believe we must close this conversation. We will come back when?
After the Comrade Marathon.
After the Comrade Marathon. Because now we don't have electricity. I think we have, we wanted to give you more.
Yeah.
But then load shedding happened. You know, Mzansi, man. Siyakawateka. But then you can hold that thought. But then let me apologize to my people, which is the ones that are following Podcast with Slim. And then we'll come back again. I hope there won't be any load shedding by then. Mr. Brian, Mfetu, thank you very much.
I really also thank you for inviting me into your show.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll come back again with a medal from the Comrades.
Let's do it again like we did it before. Sicela ukuyivala lento sithi bantu abahle siyabonga. This is Podcast with Slim. Asishelele. Ayasimoshi lo chidi.